Secondary refining achieves the smooth texture that defines premium Cocoa Pure chocolate.
Refined chocolate emerges as delicate flakes, ready for intensive mixing and flavor development.
Raw cocoa beans arrive at Cocoa Pure factory, beginning their transformation into premium chocolate.
Each sack is opened and inspected, revealing cocoa beans mixed with natural impurities.
Vibrating screens remove dust and small particles, ensuring only quality beans continue forward.
Precision air blasts remove lightweight debris while preserving every valuable cocoa bean. Destilling machines use gravity and vibration to remove even the smallest foreign objects. Final inspection ensures only the purest cocoa beans enter Cocoa Pure's roasting phase.
Cleaned cocoa beans enter precision roasters, where heat will unlock their chocolate potential.
Controlled heat between 120 and 140 degrees Celsius awakens the beans' dormant flavors.
Roasting transforms raw beans into rich chocolate brown, the first visible sign of chocolate.
Roasting releases the signature cocoa aroma that defines Cocoa Pure's chocolate character.
Expert roasters monitor every second, ensuring perfect temperature profiles for consistent quality.
Roasting complete, the beans exit at peak temperature, ready for rapid cooling. Rapid cooling locks in the developed flavors and prepares beans for the next stage. Every roasted batch undergoes rigorous testing before advancing to Cocoa Pure's winnowing phase.
Roasted beans enter Cocoa Pure's winnowing system, where shells will be separated from nibs.
Precision rollers crack each bean, releasing the valuable cocoa nibs from protective shells. Controlled airflow separates lightweight shells from dense cocoa nibs with precision. Separated shells are collected for sustainable use, ensuring zero waste at Cocoa Pure factory.
Quality inspection ensures pure cocoa nibs with no shell contamination remain.
Pure cocoa nibs are batched and transferred to grinding, ready to become chocolate. Batch-tracked cocoa nibs arrive at the formation station for precise sizing and grading.
Vibrating screens grade cocoa nibs by size, ensuring uniform processing and grinding.
Oversized fragments are carefully rebroken to match Cocoa Pure's precise nib specifications. Precisely sized cocoa nibs ensure consistent grinding and superior chocolate texture. Metal detection ensures absolute purity before nibs enter Cocoa Pure's grinding phase.
Quality verified cocoa nibs await grinding, where they will transform into liquid chocolate mass.
Cocoa nibs enter heated grinding mills, where mechanical force begins breaking them down.
Initial grinding fractures cell walls, releasing cocoa butter that binds particles into paste.
Friction heat liquefies cocoa butter naturally, requiring no external heat source.
Continuous grinding reduces particle size from millimeters to microns, creating smoothness.
Secondary refining achieves the smooth texture that defines premium Cocoa Pure chocolate.
Released cocoa butter transforms the paste into flowing liquid chocolate mass. Final grinding achieves particle fineness below human tongue detection, creating perfect smoothness.
Rigorous testing confirms grinding perfection before Cocoa Pure's chocolate mass advances forward.
Ground cocoa mass transfers to heated tanks, where it becomes pure cocoa liquor.
Precise temperature control keeps cocoa liquor perfectly fluid and ready for processing.
Cocoa liquor is 100% pure cocoa, containing natural butter and solids.
Viscosity testing ensures cocoa liquor meets Cocoa Pure's precise flow specifications.
High-pressure homogenization creates absolute uniformity in every drop of cocoa liquor. Final filtration removes even microscopic impurities, ensuring flawless cocoa liquor quality. Complete documentation ensures every batch of Cocoa Pure cocoa liquor is fully traceable. Pure cocoa liquor divides into two paths, beginning Cocoa Pure's specialized chocolate creation process. Cocoa liquor enters Cocoa Pure's hydraulic pressing hall, where butter will be extracted. Liquor-soaked filter chambers are stacked and secured for high-pressure butter extraction. Hydraulic pressure reaches 450 bar, forcing cocoa butter from the solid cocoa mass. Golden cocoa butter flows from the press, separating from solid cocoa components. Pure cocoa butter accumulates as pressing continues, extracting every valuable drop. Under extreme pressure, cocoa separates into liquid butter and solid compressed cake. Pressure releases safely, revealing compressed cocoa cakes stripped of their butter content. Cocoa cakes are removed and will become Cocoa Pure cocoa powder in later processing. Filtration ensures Cocoa Pure's cocoa butter achieves perfect clarity and purity. Premium cocoa butter is verified and stored, ready to enrich Cocoa Pure's chocolate recipes.
Cocoa Pure's formulation hall prepares precise ingredients for premium chocolate creation.
Premium cane sugar is precisely weighed according to Cocoa Pure's proprietary chocolate formula.
Whole milk powder adds creamy richness to Cocoa Pure's milk chocolate formulation.
Cocoa liquor and butter combine in precise proportions, forming the chocolate base. Sugar and milk powder pre-blend ensures smooth integration with liquid cocoa components.
Dry and liquid ingredients unite, beginning their transformation into chocolate.
Continuous mixing integrates ingredients into a unified chocolate mass, requiring further refinement.
Precise formulation verification confirms Cocoa Pure's chocolate mass meets exact specifications before refining.
Cocoa Pure's precision refiners transform rough chocolate mass into silky, smooth perfection.
5 precision rollers progressively reduce particle size from hundreds of microns to below 20.
Microscopic analysis confirms particle refinement to the smoothness threshold of human taste perception.
Refined chocolate emerges as delicate flakes, ready for intensive mixing and flavor development.
Supplemental cocoa butter transforms refined flakes into flowing liquid chocolate. Precise lecithin dosing dramatically improves chocolate flow and coating properties. Intense mechanical shear forces perfect particle distribution throughout the chocolate mass. Ultra-high pressure homogenization achieves molecular level uniformity throughout the chocolate.
Rigorous texture evaluation confirms refining perfection before advancing to conching.
Perfectly refined chocolate enters conching, where flavor and texture will reach final perfection. Cocoa Pure's conching machines begin the crucial process that defines chocolate's final character.
Initial dry conching develops flavor while evaporating excess moisture from the chocolate mass.
Precise temperature control drives chemical reactions that transform chocolate flavor from harsh to smooth.
Controlled aeration oxidizes harsh compounds, mellowing bitterness and developing rounded flavor.
Evaporation removes excess moisture and acidic volatiles, refining chocolate's texture and taste.
24 hours of conching transforms thick mass into silky, flowing liquid chocolate.
Mechanical action rounds sharp particle edges, creating the smooth mouthfeel of premium chocolate.
Scientific monitoring and expert tasting ensure flavor development reaches Cocoa Pure's signature profile.
Final conching hours perfect the chocolate, ensuring every parameter meets exacting standards.
After 24 hours, conching completes, delivering perfectly developed chocolate ready for tempering.
Conched chocolate arrives at Cocoa Pure's flavor station, where signature taste will be perfected.
Premium Madagascar vanilla extract is precisely measured for Cocoa Pure's signature chocolate flavor. Precision injection ensures vanilla distributes evenly throughout every kilogram of chocolate. 15 minutes of controlled mixing achieves perfect vanilla distribution throughout the chocolate.
Expert sensory evaluation and scientific analysis confirm Cocoa Pure's signature vanilla profile achieved.